This is Jonas Caballo, and we're gonna make coffee today. And we're gonna make it in a cup, and we're gonna put it in the microwave. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to make it. First, you get a cup, go to your sink, and fill it in with water, this high, 3/4. And once that's poured in, we can put it in the microwave, or it's open. And click 60 or 100. I'll pick 60. And we're gonna wait until it stops. And now, when it's doing it, we'll get a spoon, a small one. As that's still doing it, we're gonna wait. Almost 10. Time. After that, we're gonna kill the ants inside. So when you have the cup that still is water, you're gonna get your Nescafe Casio. Open it up. Just get 1 spoon and put it in your coffee. You gotta make all of it, but just a little on the edges. That's fine. Now close. And I need a little help. I'm 7 years old. Dad. I need to put some sugar. Get another full spoon and put it in. Then we get 1/2. Once that's done, put your spoon in and get your cream. Open it up. And pour some. Well, don't pour a lot. Just like 1/4. I put like medium high and you're supposed to do small. But that's okay. Don't do it too much. Like when it's large, it'll get too light. Like mine is almost that light. And that is good. When I have some sugar, I can have more coffee. We have more of this, but enough more, and that's all. And tomorrow, I'm making cake.